Hello, I'm Dr. Gloria Addo-Ayensu, Director of Health for Fairfax County. It's been over 5 months since we had our first case of COVID-19 in the Fairfax Health District. Our community has endured this unprecedented crisis in spite of tremendous challenges. And as a result of good compliance with stay-at-home orders and social distancing measures, we have managed to flatten the curve and ease the burden on our healthcare system. We are now at a pivotal moment in this pandemic. And while we have not seen the surge in transmission that has occurred in other parts of the state and country, COVID-19 cases are increasing in Fairfax as we ease restrictions and more people are returning to activities of daily living. I am bringing this to your attention because I believe we can do something about it if we all do our part. While the health department continues to work to contain the virus through investigation and contact tracing, now more than ever, we all need to do what we can to prevent the spread of infection. Everyone needs to continue to social distance, to wear cloth face coverings in public settings, and wash their hands frequently and thoroughly. These simple actions help prevent the spread of the virus, and so we must remain vigilant and steadfast in following these recommendations if we want to stay the course and avoid having to go back into lockdown. A recent study commissioned by the Virginia Department of Health found that fewer than 1 in 20 residents in Northern Virginia had evidence of already having been infected with COVID-19. What this means is that the large majority of Northern Virginians have not yet had COVID-19 infection and remain at risk of becoming ill. This is why it is important that we stay the course and continue adhering to the practices that we know are effective to slow the spread of COVID-19. Each of us, through our behaviors, can affect the future of disease in our community. We encourage everyone who has COVID-19 symptoms to get tested. If it is determined that you have come in close contact with someone who has COVID-19, a contact investigator will call you to provide you with guidance on how to safely quarantine at home. You'll be asked to stay away from others for 14 days from the last day that you were in close contact with that person. Please take responsibility for your own health and know that your actions also impact your friends, your neighbors, and the Fairfax community. I encourage you to visit our website, fairfaxcounty.gov/COVID-19, for more information and updates, or call us at 703-267-3511 if you have questions. Together, we can slow the spread of COVID-19. Thank you and be well.